Alright, donc la vidéo suivante est une vidéo dans laquelle je répare un écran d'ordinateur, un écran LG. C'est ça, il y avait un condensateur à l'intérieur qui était soudé. Donc c'est ça, dans le fond, la vidéo est en anglais. Dans le fond, je l'ai faite en anglais. Et excusez my French tongue. J'appelle un condensateur dans la vidéo a condensator, but it's not a condensator, it's a capacitor. So my mistakes. Alright, fait que c'est ça. Bon visionnement. Alright, so in the next video I'm going to be working on a LG screen with a faulty power supply. The reason why is because there's a dead capacitor. And yeah, I'm sorry about the way I called a capacitor in the video. I called it a condensator because in French, capacitor is a condensateur, right? So sorry about that, and yeah, enjoy the video. So here we have a power supply from LCD screen at LG LCD screen, which you can see right here. And yeah, she wasn't starting. One was you can see the little LED inside here. I think it's that part here. Yeah. This LED was flashing green, but no screen. So I take it apart. That's the one here. Take this apart, and there was this little condensator right here, which I took off because, as you can see, it is bulky. There's a little bump on top of it, which means that it's done. Look at the other one there, flat, right? It's flat. So, well, we just need to change it. It's 470 micro farad. I don't know if you can see good here. Hold on a second. Anyway, 25 volt, 470 microfarad. And I found one, and that old power supply was from a bigger screen, obviously. But yes, there it is. Exactly the one we need. It's 25 volts, 470 microfarad. There's no the top's flat, so it's a good one. There was actually two of them, and there were basically one here and the other one was there, and I took off some of them, and I'll do the rest later. So yeah, that's it. Now we just need to solder it inside of it and see how it goes. Alright, so the new condensator is installed. The only thing you have to make sure is that the negative side is on the negative side and the positive side is on the positive side. So there's a stripe on the side, as you can see, a gray stripe with a little rectangle. It means that it's the negative side. So yeah, that's all you have to make sure about. So I'll just test it with my multimeter here if we have a good reading, and then we'll yeah, just rebuild it and yeah, see if it works. Alright, so there it is, our LG screen in one piece. I have to mention about my cell phone. I know it takes a shitty video. Well, it's an old phone, and it's an Apple, right? An old iPhone 4, so please don't tell anybody. But anyway, yeah, just press that start button, and there you go. You got Brand new, working LCD screen. I should say almost brand new, but anyway, it's working, so that's all that matters, right? So yeah, I hope you enjoy the video, and take care.